Well, despite making all that piccalilli, I've still got loads of cauliflower left, and I've got no... Oh, hang on a minute. Ugh, still got some up my nose. Anyway, tonight I'm going to make a very quick, very simple cauliflower and chickpea curry. The only skill you'll need here is to be able to chop vegetables and open tins. Let's go! Melt a tablespoon of ghee in a pan. Add in 1 large thinly sliced onion. Try not to get me on the floor. What a clown! And stir with a piccalilli stained wooden spoon. I forgot another very important skill to mention here, and that is the ability to stir stuff. Once the onions take on colour, add in a crushed clove of garlic, or 2, depending on taste. Quick whiz. Teaspoon of salt. And a tablespoon of medium curry powder. I'll just stir this in. And I know what you're thinking, but Titli, we come here to learn how to make sophisticated, complicated curries. Do you, cack? You come here to have a laugh at my expense. Anyway, this curry's only going to taste as good as the curry powder you use, so if you want to use cheap sawdust, don't expect great results. Now I'll add in a 400ml can of coconut milk. Stir it all around, bring it to the boil. When it comes to the boil, turn the heat down and let it simmer for just 5 minutes. Bubble, 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 bubble. It's erupting! Never mind, just give it a quick stir. And add in a 400g tin of chickpeas, which you've drained, together with 1 large cauliflower that you've cut into little florets. Notice how I said that, florets, not florets, but florets. And give it all a good stir. Now, depending on how big your head of cauliflower is, and how much sauce there is, you may wish to add in, let's say, a cup of water, and mix it all around. That's a bit better. Now bring to the boil. When it comes to the boil, cover, turn the heat down, and let it simmer for about 10 minutes or until the cauliflower is tender. Serve with rice or naan or some other bread of your choosing. Well, that's dinner taken care of, and I think that's pretty much the last of the cauliflower, apart from the few kilos that's in the freezer. Anyway, I think that's enough cauliflower recipes for now. See you later! Who